today we are actually talking about fall decorating. I know, it seems totally weird. 2020 has been the longest and the quickest year that I can remember. It just seems like every month has just kind of melded together, and here we are in fall. I mean, the holidays are literally a month or two away. So I am ready to go ahead and start celebrating life. I'm just going to go with the flow and start my fall decorating. It is certainly not fall weather, but that's okay. We are just going to move forward. I'm going to start today with the mantle area. I start there. Well, I either start there or I start in the hutch, but I'm going to start at the fall mantle fireplace area. It's always one of my favorite places to decorate, and it's always one that I'm happiest when it's done. So I'm going to show you. I have a little bit of cleanup to do. I like to give everything a good wipe down before we get started with any of my seasonal decor. And actually after Christmas, when everything is put away, I'll give it another good cleaning. It just seems to make sense. While you're switching things out, you might as well clean them up. So today is all about decorating the fall mantle. I want to know if you've started your decorating. Will you be doing it? Even though I don't know what Thanksgiving is going to look like. I don't know what Christmas is going to look like. So my question for you today is, have you started your fall decorating? Will you go all out? Are you holding back? Does it seem like fall? I mean, does it seem like we could be at the end of the year? I know we want 2020 to be done, and I know we still have some major hurdles as a nation to get through, but we can take control of this little thing. We can make our homes beautiful and cozy and ready for tea and fires in the fireplace and all of that stuff. We can take control of that. So let's go ahead and head into the living room and decorate the mantle for fall. We are creatures of a great master designer, and his ordering of our lives is sure and certain. Yet many people live without any visible order or peace or serenity. The way we live ought to manifest the truth of what we believe. A messy life speaks of a messy and incoherent faith. The way you keep your house, the way you organize your time, the care you take in your personal appearance, the things you spend your money on, all speak loudly about what you believe. The beauty of thy peace shines forth in an ordered life. A disordered life speaks loudly of disorder in the soul. We are called to be women. The fact that I am a woman does not make me a different kind of Christian, but the fact that I am a Christian does make me a different kind of woman. For I have accepted God's idea of me, and my whole life is an offering back to Him of all that I am and all that He wants me to be. You guys have enjoyed our time in becoming a woman of God. Life can be hard. Being married can be hard. It can be easy to want to control things, to do things how we think would make them all better. As women, we are nurturers, and we are giving, and we are called to give sacrificially, even when we don't feel like it. I would encourage you, pick up the book, read through it. It was actually a letter written to her daughter before she got married, and it is a beautiful example of what a godly woman should be. So that is the last of our time together in Let Me Be a Woman. I hope that it was a fresh reminder. I hope that it was an encouragement to get into the Word and see what exactly God has intended for us as women of God. Thank you for indulging me. I did enjoy sharing it with you. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will see you in the next video.